Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I trust you all are doing great. So today I'm going to share with you how I made this delicious spaghetti stir fry. Very easy to put together, and guys, this was so yummy and super easy. Okay, so let's get right into the video. So for this recipe, I'm going to be making use of chicken breast, green pepper, red pepper, onions, and habanero pepper. So I'm going to slice it just like this. And also I also sliced the chicken breast. You can see how it is. So I'm going to be marinating the chicken. So I went in with some chicken seasoning and curry powder. So I'm going to be adding a little bit of soya sauce. So after adding it, I'm going to mix together. Then I will allow this to marinate for, after mixing everything together, just like this, just the way you are seeing on the video, I'm going to cover it and set it aside. I'm going to allow it to marinate for like 15 to 20 minutes. So into a boiling water, I'm going to add in some salt. Then I will go in with a little bit of vegetable oil. So I'm going to add in my spaghetti, then allow this to cook for 8 to 12 minutes. Okay. So while waiting for my spaghetti to be ready, so I'm going to add in a little bit of vegetable oil into another clean pot. Then I'm going to fry my chicken breast. Then after frying the chicken breast, I'm going to set it aside. So in that same pot I used in frying the chicken breast, I'm going to add more vegetable oil. Then I will add in my chopped onions and I will saute this for 2 to 3 minutes. So next I'm going to add in the chopped red bell pepper, green pepper, and habanero pepper. I'm going to stir. I'm going to let this fry for 3 to 5 minutes. So after frying for some minutes, I'm going to go in with the curry powder and seasoning cube. Then I'm going to stir together. So at this point, our pasta is ready. So I strained out the water, then I went in with the pasta. So I added the soya sauce. Then I'm going to start mixing. So I'm going to stir properly. I'm going to stir until everything is nicely combined. So now it's time to go in with the fried chicken breast. So I added the chicken breast, then I went in with a little bit of soya sauce. Then I'm going to mix well until everything is well combined, guys. Look at that. Look how yummy this spaghetti stir fry is looking. And guys, this was so yummy. And if you have watched to this extent, thank you so much. I really do appreciate. Please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a video. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I appreciate you all for always coming back to watch my video. Please like, comment, and share. So at this point, I'm just going to serve and enjoy my spaghetti stir fry. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And I'm going to see you all in my next one. Bye.